How does earning $500 to well over $1,000 a week from your smartphone or laptop sound? I bet working on your own time without having to answer to a boss sounds even better. Become an independent agent for our company and get paid to help us build up our clientele. We offer many services that millions of people are looking for on a daily basis. Your only job is to promote our valuable services, and we will pay you for each new customer. It's really simple. We'll give you all of the necessary tools to get started. We provide you with promotional videos and a website to share with potential customers that may be looking for our services. The moment a customer purchases our services from one of your links, you are credited with the sale. We pay you every Friday via direct deposit, so your hard work is always quickly rewarded. So how does that sound? Pretty great, right? No pressure to meet quotas, no commute to work, and no 8 to 12-hour workdays. If you're interested, simply like this video and share it. Once you've done both, just comment below and we'll inbox you the details on how to get started immediately.